Welcome to a super simple one here, folks. The Gktech S&R chassis OEM rear Knuckle Spherical bearing install. Getting right to it, what do you get in the box? You get two of these Johnnies, aka the spherical bearing. It has moves like Jagger. You know what I'm saying? I mean, check that ish out. These are not rubber, and they will take the slack and bind out of the OEM bits, letting it move freely, ensuring that you will be a smooth operator. We offer these in a rubber variant as well, so check those out. If you were to change all three of them out, these are the ones you'd need to swap out, those being traction, tow, and camber. Now get your Knuck off in whatever way you see fit, press all the OEM bushings out, supporting them from the bottom, and pop goes the weasels. It's easy as pie, if only pie had to be pressed out. Now our Knuckle was nasty, so we gave it a bath and some paint. Now she's looking good as new. Let's make it look even better with brand new bushings. All we have left is to press all three of those in with the beveled side down for proper alignment. That being said, these install one way. Make sure they're all flush, and then finally octo-arm all of the inserts into place, and you're done. Kick back and admire your handiwork. Just look at it. Fresh AF if you ask me. Speaking of me, peep Johnny Caps and I's YouTube channel for drifty stuff. And if you can't install these, have a professional do it or contact us with any questions. This has been Officer Dan, Johnny Caps, and New Zealand Zach with yet another quality how-to. Peace.